What's the most unexpected thing that's ever happened during your workday?
Okay, so there was this court in Parañaque na the judge on his name is Honorable Judge Luna, and he was a former police officer. So at the time there was an arrest made by a police officer, and the crime committed was illegal gambling. Naglalaro ng Cara y Cruz. So if you're familiar with that. Si Judge, sinikmuraan niya yung police dahil wala daw kakwenta-kwenta yung kaso. So that was very unexpected in a situation in court kasi usually formal yan. So formal proceeding siya. But at that time, after the dismissal of the case, sinikmuraan pa ni Judge yung police. And I think it was, there is something personal issue between them. Pero hindi ko siya makalimutan that is a very unexpected event.